everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I am going to review two serums with you, and they are from the brand M Caffeine. The serums that I am talking about are the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Serum, and then we also have the Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum. So both of these come in a quantity of 40 ml, and the coffee one retails for rupees 645 and the green tea one retails for rupees 625. So 40 ml is a good size bottle, because if you see other serums or other oils, you'll see that they come in a 30 ml packaging, but this is 40 ml and they are much more costlier. Also have a little bit less quantity, but these are 40 ml and they retail for somewhat around 600 rupees. So this is a good deal, and you'll also see various discounts on M Caffeine site, or you can also check out the offers on Amazon or Nykaa. So easily you will be able to get 15 to 20% off. Both of these serums are free from SLS, SLES and silicones. They are also paraben free, they are dermatologically tested, and they can be used on all skin types. So ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर कॉफ़ी फेस सीरम है तो इट्स मोर हाइड्रेटिंग, और ग्रीन टी सीरम है देन इट्स ओनली फॉर ऑयली स्किन और एक्ने प्रोन स्किन. Both serums can be used on all skin types. So I am a combination skin type, and I am using both of these serums, and both of them are working greatly on my skin. Both of these serums are gender neutral as well, and even men can use them. They are not at all expensive and they are very much affordable. So firstly, let's just talk about the coffee face serum. So this has coffee and white water lily. एंड दीज serums आर मेड इन इंडिया. सो आजकल हम जैसे इंडियन ब्रांड्स को ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, तो अगर आपको इंडियन ब्रांड का स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट लेना चाहते हैं, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दीज. सो बोथ ऑफ दीज serums आर एंटीऑक्सीडेंट रिच, एंड दे ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट योर स्किन फ्रॉम द हार्मफुल UV rays of the sun. But this doesn't mean that you don't have to wear a sunscreen. Obviously they'll be adding an extra layer in your protection from the UV rays, but you definitely have to use a sunscreen as well. Both of these serums are very lightweight and they provide hydration to your skin. They are super light and they have a watery consistency, very easy to apply, and they absorb into your skin very well, and they'll give you that instant glow. So coffee is known for fighting those free radicals and preventing fine lines. Along with coffee, this also has vitamin E, and vitamin E helps in protecting our skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. White water lily helps with hyperpigmentation, and it also works on the dark spots. This also has hyaluronic acid, which works on your skin hydration. And this really smells so good. बिल्कुल अगर आप कॉफ़ी लवर हैं then you should definitely go for this, क्योंकि इसकी कॉफ़ी की स्मेल आती है बहुत ही अच्छी. I mean freshly grounded कॉफ़ी की जो स्मेल होती है ना, वैसी इसकी स्मेल आती है. तो अभी let me just show you its consistency. And one thing more that I liked about this serum is they come in this pump, or you can say this dropper packaging, which is very easy to be used, and the fragrance is just so good. You can see this is the consistency, and see how easily this has absorbed into my skin. I only had to massage it like 1 or 2 times, and this has purely absorbed into my skin, and this is not at all sticky. Now let's just talk about the green tea face serum. This also has vitamin C in it, and you already might be knowing that vitamin C is known for its glow boosting properties. This is also rich in antioxidants, and it helps in soothing your skin because it has green tea in it. So the coffee in green tea like calms your skin and gives you that glow. Vitamin C also helps your skin with the skin damage. This also has hyaluronic acid, and which is known for skin hydration, and this can also be used for all skin types. Either you have oily or acne prone skin or dry skin, anybody can use it because it has hyaluronic acid. And vitamin C is the best ingredient that you can look for in any skincare product, because it helps in brightening your skin, reducing the pigmentation and giving you that glow. And it also helps in boosting the collagen so that your skin can look plumpy. Let me just show you the consistency of this one as well. This has a very gel-like consistency, same as the coffee one, easily absorbed into your skin. And the fragrance is also very good. This one is a bit sticky because it has vitamin C in it, और जो भी serums में vitamin C होता है वो थोड़े से आपकी स्किन पे sticky feel होते हैं, and you need not worry about that, क्योंकि obviously serum के बाद आप moisturizer तो apply करते ही हो, तो जब आप moisturizer लगाओगे तो stickiness will go away. So on some days I use this green tea one, and on some days I use the coffee one. both of them have worked greatly on my skin. I can't differentiate or I can't choose कि मुझे कौन सा वाला better लगता है. They have hyaluronic acid and caffeine in it. तो दोनों ही हमारी स्किन अवेकनिंग के लिए और हमारी स्किन की हाइड्रेशन के लिए वर्क करता है. अगर आपकी स्किन हाइड्रेटेड रहेगी तो उसको एंटी एजिंग इफेक्ट्स भी मिलते हैं, क्योंकि स्किन थोड़ी ड्राई रहती है, उनकी स्किन पे जल्दी फाइन लाइंस और रिंकल्स आने की पॉसिबिलिटी होती है. बट अगर आपकी स्किन हाइड्रेटेड रहेगी तो आपकी स्किन हमेशा थोड़ी ग्लोई और सपल रहेगी. So according to me, you can definitely go for any one of these, or you can try both of them as well. This was a very short review from me on the M Caffeine face serums. I hope you liked it, and if yes, you know what you have to do: comment, share, like and subscribe to my channel. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.